morning, friends. So, happy Friday. Today I am off to tire factory. Today's an exciting day for me and Caroline. Now, you remember a video or two before I had told you about how I have mismatched tires for the longest time. I bought a brand new set of tires. Well, it wasn't brand new, it was a used brand new set, new to me, set of tires. I paid a good $200 for a full set. They were beautiful tires, still good. Fronts are fine still right now as we speak. But the rear left has gone bald because the rear right is a spare. And because the spare is taller than the rear left, it caused it to go bald. If you see right here, I've got tires. Right there is a rim with a flat tire. And if you go back tons of videos, you'll see the video where I changed that flat tire. And that will let you know how long it's been since I have had a matching set of wheels on my car, because I'm tired of the spare. Prius. Nice. Stack of winter tires ready to go. Oh, look at this. This Dodge Durango here that's been rolled. Yeah, this thing's been here for a while. Alright, let's go get this car moved. Looks like they're a little busy. In goes the spare. Yeah. Would you drive it? I'd drive it. That'd be a stunt car for me. Rip the e-brake a ton. Reverse 180s. Yeah, that'd be the same as my Mazda. Good car.
There's a nail in both of those tires.
Oh yeah. Are they they're repairable, right?
What's that?
They're fixable?
Yes and no, but yes.
Well, that's good to know.
One of them is gonna have to be a plug because it's in the crown. It's like literally like right there.
Oh, okay.
I can throw a plug in it. It's probably gonna be fine.
Right.
The other one's dead center. That one's no big deal.
Yeah. Got bald that tire guy.
Yeah. Just gonna take 4 times off.
Okay. Well, I thank you for everything again. I'm excited for this. Caroline. Almost there. You see the blue? You see what I'm talking about with the blue? Why is there blue on this car? Alright, here's a wrecked car for you. The brakes were alright. Wow, look at that axle. It's bent. Tail light. Rear window stayed. Tail light's gone. Hey, we got a tire. Wow. Ooh. Hey, there's the other one. Wow. You can see where everything hit. CV boot is torn open. Tie rod's broken. Everything's bent. Control arm's broken. Frame is, a frame has got to be bent. There's some rub. That's a good one too. Nice. So yeah, I'm happy to see that I'll be able to get both the tires put on. He told me that the one had a nail on the outer wall. Yeah.
You know these are quite a bit smaller, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
You're cool with that?
As long as they fit on the car, I'll have matching wheels. That's what I've wanted.
Quite a bit smaller than what's coming off.
Yeah, being that
You'll be able to drift them easier.
what are they,
Those are 215 45
Instead of 235,
which is narrower and shorter.
Right.
So
Hey, I'm only gonna keep them on for a short period until winter comes.
some people, they buy used tires and they think, well, it's really close, but it's actually considerably different.
I bought the whole set, the ones that you're changing out.
Yeah.
I bought the whole set for $200 from this place.
Yeah.
And then what was it? A month later, the inner sidewall blew out on the freeway. So
Yeah.
I screwed myself anyway.
Okay, sounds good.
It's better to have matching rims and tires than anything. But it's cool because we got snow tires coming too. I've got 15-inch wheels with tires on it. And then when the winter comes, when we got snow coming down, I'll throw those on the car. You'll see that. And then we'll have matching 15-inch wheels with studded tires. So those are gonna be good times. My first car with studded tires. You'll be here for that. Like my hat. Thank you, Katie. That's beautiful. So happy. Now the front tires and the back tires don't match, but I could care less at this time. I did buy the whole matching set at the beginning, but when I blew out the inner sidewall, that blew all my chances away. So we just went 2 matching rear, 2 matching front, and we're rolling that way for now until I can afford 4 matching tires again. At least it's something. And then once snow comes, I'll have 4 matching wheels anyway, and that'll give me time to save up or make a plan for next summer. Yes, there's Mount Hood. Beautiful sight. Great background. Dip. I don't like to leave my hood vented while I'm parked, so just pull up the front end like this. Back end drops down, push the front end, and it's nice and sealed. Just wait, because once it gets cold and wet, video's gonna be good. Because we're gonna be driving in the weather. I'm excited for it. Show you all how we do. And if we crash, that's how we do. I doubt it though, but it's our first year driving a rear wheel drive again, but I have studded tires, so we'll be aight.